working with genomic sequencing data and received BAM files from a bioinformatics pipeline. These files are central to modern genetics research. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, view, and process these binary alignment map files for your analysis. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single BAM file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. BAM files are binary alignment map files used in bioinformatics to store aligned sequencing read data from DNA or RNA sequencing experiments. They are the compressed binary equivalent of SAM text format files, containing millions of short-read sequences mapped to reference genome positions with quality scores and alignment metadata. BAM files use BGZF block-gzip compression over the binary encoding of SAM format records. Each record stores read name alignment, flag reference, position mapping quality, CIGAR alignment, string mate pair information, RID sequence, base quality scores, and optional auxiliary tags. BAI index files enable random coordinate-based data access. To gain full access to BAM, the application needed is SAMtools from the Broad Institute. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows displays only partial information, so correct interpretation must be done in the appropriate software. Your key action: right-click the BAM file and select Open With. If SAMtools is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the BAM file opens successfully. When your BAM file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The system isn't broken, the file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this BAM error before we apply the universal fix. First, viewing in IGV. Download the Integrative Genomics Viewer from the Broad Institute at igv.org. Load a reference genome, then open the BAM file along with its BAI index file. The IGV displays aligned reads at any genomic location with color-coded bases, quality indicators and coverage tracks for visual inspection of sequencing alignment results. Next, processing with SAMtools. Install SAMtools from SAMtools, github.io. Use SAMtools view hfile.bam to convert BAM to readable SAM text format. Use SAMtools sort and SAMtools index to prepare BAM files for downstream analysis. SAMtools also provides utilities for filtering, merging, and computing alignment statistics from BAM file data. Finally, analyzing with Picard. Use Picard tools from the Broad Institute to perform quality control on BAM files. Run collect alignment summary metrics to generate alignment statistics and mark duplicates to flag PCR duplicate reads. Picard processes BAM files for variant calling pipeline preparation, ensuring data quality before downstream genetic analysis steps. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.